Hello my loves, welcome into this beautiful video my loves. My name is Kopano. Those who are new, welcome. So guys, today I'm coming with a beautiful mini haul. Like always, you know what, it was my birthday guys. I'm telling you from the bottom of my heart, 29 November is my birthday and I'm coming with a mini haul. Of course, why not? I'm coming with some mini hauls, some items that I received as a birthday presents from my hubby, from my daughter, to come and just show you guys what I had and the mini stuff that I did have right now. It's nothing big, but I'm just gonna be showing you what I do have for now, and I'm thankful for that, and I'm grateful for that. So guys, yesterday we went into Hamburg for a day trip for my birthday. In Hamburg it was Black Friday as well, and it was Saturday guys. I was staying on Saturday. The town was very full, let me tell you. Hamburg, because it's a grocer stadt, it was so full that ich konnte nicht sogar meine Fuß sehen. It was so full that I couldn't even see my feet. I was like, oh my god, what is happening? People were just scattering the item. I was trying to look in Zara to see what is happening there in Zara. I couldn't see anything because people were just taking and taking. We went into H&M, it had a lot of nice collections, and then we went into Mango. Of course, I love Mango as well. It was nice. We bought some few things there as my birthday things, and this is what I want to show you guys right now. I'm gonna be starting with this perfume guys, YSL Libre. I don't know how to pronounce it. Laurent YSL. So this is the beautiful perfume that I do have in my collection, and let's try to open it and smell it guys. We're gonna try them, and then when I like them, that's when I'm gonna be buying the big bottles. But so honestly speaking, the perfumes are really toya. I'm mixing my perfumes with Zara perfumes or Mango perfumes. This is what I'm doing in my collections. So I do have a Libre here. It's a very beautiful perfume guys, in the 30 milliliter. This is 30 milliliter, so I have to take care of it, and we're gonna spray it together guys. Let me spray behind my oh yes, I smell some perfumes in Zara and Mango, but I never managed to buy myself. So the second perfume that I do have now guys, the perfume that I do have right now guys is Valentino. This is one of my beautiful perfume that I long wanted to try, and I'm thankful God that I received it in my birthday present. So I long wanted to try this perfume guys, because always I see the people on everywhere, they are talking about how beautiful this perfume is. So we're gonna try this one. Already smelling so good. I love it. It's not my first time to use this one. It was on my shopping list because it finished, then I wanted it. Every time I was wearing this perfume guys, I was receiving a lot of compliments. But now let's try this one and see what it got for us. Let's try Valentino, born in Roma. This is Valentino, born in Roma. I hope you can see. This is the packaging, how it looks, so beautiful. I like the packaging, and so I don't know how to open it because it's my first time to. Okay, I managed. Let's spray this side and see what Born in Roma got for us. We wait some few minutes. We put it back in the packaging. So this is what I'm doing guys to level up my game. I'm always receiving perfumes, so it's smelling good guys, but I don't, it's not, this one smells like chua. This one is relaxed. It's smelling relaxed. It's in the relaxed way, which I like it. The smell is not bad. Okay my love, so we started with perfumes, and these are the two perfumes that I wanted to show you guys, that anytime I want to plug you what type of perfume I'm using, this is how I want to plug you guys for us to level up together. So This is the bag. Yay! This is the bag. Is guess. Do you see that? This is the bag, guys. This is the bag, guess. And this is the price. I don't want to show you much price. Anyway, we're gonna be unboxing. So this is the when you want to do the crossbody. And this bag, guys, here is the bag. It got 2 compartments, another side, and in the middle here you can put your wallet. It's got like 3 compartments. That's a side, another side, and in the middle as well. So this is the bag that I long wanted to have, guys, when I don't want to. Most of my bags, they are tote bags. Most of my bags, guys, they are tote bags. So I wanted something that I can hold, that I can manage to hold or do a cross when I want to. Something portable, something small. So I decided to go with the color black, because color black can fit everywhere, guys. You know what, guys? Color black can fit in everywhere. So this is what I decided to go for. And it's beautiful, guys. I like it. I like the shape. Look at it. How that. So this is the bag, guys, that I bought. And then the next bag, guys, this is the bag. It's like Bottega type of a bag. It matches well with my top that I'm wearing. And this is from my daughter, guys. My daughter just said, "Mommy, can you choose a bag that you like to have?" And then we were in the bag section, because they know that I'm addicted to it's either perfumes or bag, guys. And then we went to it was Black Friday and everything was on special. We managed to grab this bag, guys. It looks so beautiful. It's in the color like brownish, purplish sort of. I don't know how to describe it. You can see this is the bag, guys. Look at it. Let's unzip it. Inside is brown. It's just a normal bag, guys, without any label, but it's from Mango. I bought it in Mango. So, guys, this was it. Short, isn't it? Short videos, very short. Sometimes I'm willing to talk to you guys, but sometimes I don't have any ideas what should I talk about. So we're gonna be moving to clothing, guys. I like it when I put it myself together. I'm looking cute and makeup is flawless. My skin is giving. I like it. It's giving skin. I don't like too heavy makeup, guys, but I like a flawless makeup. This is what I'm trying to do in my face, but I'm trying. I'm not a makeup artist, but I'm trying. So, guys, we are moving into clothing. Yesterday I picked this in Mango. As you can see, there are tags here. I picked this leather pants, and it's giving like sweater type of material, because in winter time that's when leather pants are very, very popular, because it's cold and you are not sweating on them. So we wear them mostly in winter. So I said, I know what, in my wardrobe I don't have a leather pants, so I'm gonna be taking myself today as my birthday, and I'm gonna be looking for something like a leather pants. So yesterday I managed to find this leather pants. I went to H&M, but H&M one was running a little bit long, because your girl is a short woman. So I went to Mango. The length was right into me, and I'm wearing most of the time medium into this other stuff, but the pants, because it looks like it's not the tight type of material. It's as you can see, stretchy. So I managed to take size small. So this leather pants, as you can see, is very good. I wear it with my black boots. I was wearing it this morning, trying to see how it looked. And I've got a leather jacket that I got in H&M, and it was so beautiful, guys. I loved the outfit. And this leather pants, guys, that's what I wanted to say. As you can see, it's from Mango. This is Mango. They just write MNG. It's from Mango. So this is where I bought my leather pants, guys, I'm happy that I managed to find this kind of leather pants because it goes well with sneakers, it goes well with the boots, it goes well with everything. It's a plain, just plain with some pockets. That's it. Nothing much, nothing fancy. It's just a simple leather pant. I like it. So I'm plugging you guys to even the shops where I'm buying my things, my clothes. Whole thing, guys, you know your girl now. It's winter. In winter time, we don't want to be looking like we don't take care of ourselves. Even if we are wearing big jackets, we want to be looking cute even on those big jackets. They say how you accessorize yourself in winter time, this is how it will tell who you are. What you are wearing outside the jacket that you are wearing, it will tell who you are, whether you are taking care of yourself or not. So I managed to find myself a jacket. I have a jacket anyway at home, but the jacket is like, I don't know what I was looking at that time, but I'm taking it like it's okay. It's for Nua, for spatier, and when I'm doing walks, this is the jacket. When I'm relaxed and running errands, this is the jacket that I can wear. But when I'm traveling, like, or when I'm going somewhere special, like going to see the doctor or going to see see another place, like now it's Christmas time, we're visiting other places just to go to the Christmas market. What is it that I'm gonna be wearing? So I just saw a jacket yesterday in Mango as well. We managed to take this jacket, guys. This is the jacket. As you can see, it's in Mango. It's in the size large, so it's in the brownish goldish type of material. It's a very long jacket, guys. I don't want to try anything for you today because I'm just relaxed, you know. This is the jacket, so it looks so beautiful. I liked it. And soon, as we are traveling somewhere, I'll be wearing this jacket. I'll be taking you along with me. So this is what is something that I said, you know what, is a win-win situation. Today is special. I can wear this. I can take this jacket. It's on special. Honestly, I wanted a jacket in Guess, but the Guess one was a little bit pricey. I said, you know what, this jacket looks like the Guess one, but only that it doesn't have a logo. But I like the Guess one, but unfortunately it's pricey. But I can't buy that one. It's a little bit pricey for me. Let me just see the alternative. So I was looking all along this jacket, but yesterday when we went to Hamburg, I had that opportunity to find the beautiful jacket in Mango, and I can take it. I took it yesterday, and that's how it is, guys. We came into the end of this beautiful video, and hope you'll enjoy it. Share, like, comment. Please comment to my YouTube, like my channel, like my videos. Please like, and subscribe. If you are not subscribed, please subscribe to this beautiful video. I'm bringing you nice videos, guys, that I'm authentic. I'm just myself. I'm me. It's not something that I'm gonna be saying I'm doing it for fake or something. I do YouTube. It makes me happy when I'm doing YouTube, honestly speaking. It boosts my confidence. It makes me be myself because I'm talking to the camera on myself at home, relax. What is it that I need? So this is what I have to tell you guys. So the word of motivation today, I'll say that if you want to start something, guys, like doing YouTubes or doing blogs, you can start, guys. You have a camera, you have a phone camera. Nowadays every camera got a camera, so you can start small and do big in the future. So start with what you have, and it will take you to wherever you want to go by leveling up the game. So guys, this is at the end of the leveling up channel with Kopano video, and we're gonna see each other in the next video that is coming soon again. Ciao guys, bye.